Road trip starts now. Today I'm wasting it all until I get a new drone because for the next 5 days we'll be road tripping around the beautiful southern Italy. We'll go down in circles for the next 5 days. The people who are coming on this road trip are...
I'm Lee, and you already know me.
I'm Brian.
I'm Tiana. And these are my cousins!
We're from Hawaii.
Hi, I'm Alex. I'm from London.
He's my friend from college.
And I'm Nas from Nas Daily.
We'll be road tripping with this car. And sign away. Thank you. So most of today I'm just gonna do nothing until my drone arrives from LA.
Finally arrived. The drone. It's 1 minute. See you tomorrow for a drone day.